welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia, welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Look Fantastic monthly beauty box, and this month is May. I know, right? I can't believe it. We're almost already halfway through the year. Yeah, it's crazy, like I don't want to think about it. Anyway, I just wanted to quickly mention before I start unboxing this, I've actually got a code that you guys can use if you do decide that you want to subscribe. Now it's Cynthia BB. I'll leave the code up on screen. I'll also leave all the links and information down in the information box below. But actually, if you guys do decide to sign up, you get a free gift this month. So here I've got one of my most favourite products in the world, and it's Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm. Now I've already gone through about 2 full-size versions of these. It smells amazing, it feels amazing on the skin, and it's just a really lovely product. This is my favourite product to take makeup off with, like literally. I'm reaching for this. It's such a luxurious product, and I'm excited to say that if you do sign up for a free 6 or 12 month subscription with Look Fantastic, then you'll actually get yourself a free little sample of this in the post along with your subscription box. So yeah, if you could just use the code CynthiaBB, and that's for any free 6 or 12 month subscription, then you'll get yourself one of those. Not joking, this is literally an insane product, so definitely worth getting the free product. You do get quite a big size here, as you can see. It's 15 millilitres, and I think the full size one it comes with 50 millilitres or so. You are getting a pretty good sample size there. Anyway, moving on to the unboxing for this month. So we've got like a bright neon orange box to the month. Well, that's on the lid, and then we've got like a peachy colour tone underneath. So as I open the box, you get the same as usual. You get your Look Fantastic Beauty Box magazine, and you also get your Elle magazine. It's complimentary. There's always one in there every month, so that's pretty nice to flick through when you're like on public transport, etc. I've always mentioned the Beauty Box magazine is my absolute favourite for many reasons. It gives you a bit of a background about the products that are inside the monthly subscription box, how much they're worth, etc., what you can do with them, how to use them, and editor's tips. So I really like that, and they talk about like the skincare and the beauty products that are latest in, and what Look Fantastic have been loving lately. I'm not going to give too much away just in case you guys want to flick through that. On the back here is sneak peek. So this is a sneak peek for next month. Sometimes they put sneak peeks on the back. I believe maybe last month they only gave us a sneak peek about what the theme of the beauty box was going to be, and that's urban beauty if I remember correctly. Yeah, so the sneak peek for next month's beauty box, that will be June, is we can exclusively reveal that all subscribers will receive the BioEffect EGF serum worth £25. Ooh, never heard of this product. So it's BioEffect EGF serum for improved appearance of skin. Okay, well, I'll look forward to receiving that. So anyway, I'm just going to quickly give you a bit of a background about what the contents of this month's box is about. So for the month of May, we're delving into all things urban beauty. Okay, so I remembered correctly. And looking at how our beauty routines are affected by life in the big city, whether it's skincare solutions to keep your skin feeling fresh or a makeup routine that can be applied on the commute, we're helping you survive a spring in the city. This month's magazine looks at the anti-pollution skincare trend and the key ingredients to help detox your skin, as well as sharing our favourite ways to create a safe haven at home. We're embracing city life to the fullest this May. Okay, let's get stuck in. So, quickly before we get stuck in, there's like a quote on the lid of the box, and this month's one is "Confidence is the ultimate shield." Hashtag LFBEAUTYBOX. Right, okay, worst part is ripping this sticker. I don't know why, it just gets me like each time, but whatever, here we go. Let's have a peek inside this month's beauty box. Now I'm unboxing this quite late this month, just because my beauty box only did arrive yesterday, which was Friday. But yeah, I'm not too sure what happened with mine, but it arrived a little bit later. But anyway, this is the contents of this month's beauty box. Now inside is looking pretty bright and colourful, right? The product that strikes my attention the most is actually this. Now this is something from the brand Skin Chemist London. It's a Rose Illuminating Glow Hydrogel Eye Pads. Ooh, now I've used eye pads before and they are great for reducing puffiness under the eyes. So in the magazine here it says, an editor's tip, use the pads at the same time as your favourite brightening face mask for a fresh and radiant complexion. Okay, interesting. Skin Chemist is a really good brand. I remember trying out one of their lip plumping glosses before, and that was thanks to Look Fantastic and their beauty subscription boxes. So no doubt that this product will be really good. So yeah, and it's also worth £6.99. I think you just get 2 pads inside of there, so there's enough for one use. So yeah, really excited to try this out actually. Okay, so moving on to the next product, we have something from the brand Polar. Now I've tried something again thanks to Look Fantastic beauty box subscriptions. I've tried one of their hand creams before, and this one is the Northern Lights Smoothing Hand Cream with Siberian Olive inside. Now let me see if I can tell you how much this product is worth. Now it's worth £17.50 and you get how many millilitres do you get in here? I don't think it actually says which. There you go, 25 millilitres. I'm just being silly. So yeah, quite a good amount of hand cream there. Now it says here, this cream is suitable as a day cream for normal to dry skin, but if your complexion is a combination, we'd suggest using this as a nighttime moisturiser. Okay, it's not a hand cream. There we go, jump into conclusions. So no, this is a smoothing sort of moisturiser cream. Let me read a bit more of it here because I've misinterpreted that, just because the packaging looks fairly similar to the hand cream that I previously had. Okay, it says here, reveal a radiant and flawless complexion with Polar's Northern Lights Soothing Cream. Harnessing the powers of the Siberian olive tree and shrub rich in 108 bioactive elements and a high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is great for the skin. Our skin doesn't produce it. I've been using Avon's vitamin C range lately. I've put it up on my Instagram. But yeah, I just thought I wanted to mention that. So vitamin C, great ingredient to have inside of a moisturiser. This cream offers antioxidant properties, helping to protect the skin from the impact of pollution, combined with 100% natural polar berry extracts. The creamy formula boosts radiance and encourages the regeneration of cells. Okay, excellent. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm going to pop a bit of it on the back of my hand because I really want to smell what this Siberian olive smells like. That's delicious. That's delicious? No, it smells delicious. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out properly, if I can get the lid back on it. Yeah, and it feels really smooth on the skin. So yeah, yet again, really excited to try out that product. Next up, we have this product here. Now this is something from the brand Mind Tan. I've never heard of this brand before, and it's Everyday Glow Invisible Colour Gradual Tan Colour Extender. Ooh. An untinted daily moisturiser with a touch of tan, build or extend a natural golden glow. Okay, interesting. Directions. Apply lotion to freshly cleansed skin, smooth on evenly and blend thoroughly. Use sparingly around knuckles, knees, ankles and elbows. Wash your hands immediately with soap and water after application. You will begin to see a gradual tan enhancement of colour within several days. It is best to wait 8 hours or longer between application. Okay, that's quite interesting. I'm not too sure how this is going to work on my skin, but I'm really actually excited to try it because I do actually from time to time, surprise, use fake tan, and it's okay, maybe like tinted moisturiser, but yeah, there's a Soap and Glory one that's incredible. I've used Vita Labrata, and fake tanning is not only for the fair skin. I want to reiterate that. I've also written a blog post, I'm going to leave that down below, but fake tan actually sort of enhances like your glow in a way, and people always ask me, my friends are like, why do you use fake tans if you're like, you don't need it, you're already like brown? Like, yeah, duh, whatever, but it makes my skin look more glowy, more alive, more fresh and less ashy, if you get what I mean. So anyway, enough about my fake tan run, more about this product. So it says if you have paler skin or you fake tan novice, mix with your daily moisturiser for a subtle glow. Okay, this is worth $5.99 and you get 30 millilitres worth in here. So it does say that it's rich in naturally derived tanning agents, multivitamins and aloe vera. This self-tan moisturises, extends the length of tan and soothes dry skin. Okay, cool. So I think I might use this sort of like a tinted moisturiser for days that I don't really want to wear makeup but want to like want my skin to have a bit more of a glow and a bit more coverage to it but without adding foundation. So I think that's what I'm going to use this as. And so yeah, really looking forward to using that product. Anyway, next product is from the brand Avant. I've tried this brand out before through Look Fantastic and the beauty boxes. I think there was a skin serum before in like a black packaging. Anyway, this is a hyaluronic algin retinol palmate. Sorry, I'm reading it in such a weird way. It's because all the letters are like spaced out on the packagings. Anyway, at the bottom here it says 8-hour retexturing and antioxidizing hyaluronic facial serum. There we go, some proper English. Okay, so it says here, apply the serum to damp skin after cleansing. Wait 2 or 3 minutes to allow serum to absorb before moisturizing. So this product, I can't believe it, but this product is worth £89. Now, I'm not sure if that's a full size product that they mean by this £89. I'm going to do a bit of research and look into that quickly because I'm shocked. Okay guys, so I've just done a bit of googling and it's true. 30 millilitres on the Look Fantastic website is retailing at £89, and we've also got 30 millilitres here but like in a different sort of packaging. So yeah, wow, Jesus Christ, this product is worth a lot, so it must be pretty good. Let's find out more about it. Rediscover skin's youth with the intensive serum that protects against external aggressors while addressing signs of aging. This hydrating serum nourishes skin from within and combats imperfection, leaving skin moisturised and radiant. Hyaluronic acid moisturises the skin, plumping the complexion, while I can't pronounce this, it's lipoic acid has antioxidant properties that improve the skin's texture and strengthen the skin's barrier. So really super looking forward to trying this product out. Considering its price point as well, that's pretty hefty. I mean, £89 for a 30 millilitre serum. Like this has got to be heavenly. I'm going to write a blog post about all of this stuff as well, so I'm going to leave that link down below to give you a bit of a review as to how I got on with these products, but that will be within the next week or so because I'm going to give myself a bit of a chance to actually test these products out properly. Yeah, like, oh my god, I'm still gobsmacked at the price of that. Anyway, moving on to the next product, second to last. This is from the brand Wella. Now, it's an Indigo Nutra Enrich with goji berry deep nourishing mask. Nice. Okay, so let's find out a little bit more about it. I love the colour of the packaging as well. Matches really nicely with the box. So this is worth £2.75. It says breathe life into dry and damaged locks with this ultra nourishing formula that gives hair a new lease for life. Enriched with Wella's Nutra Enrich Blend Complex, this deep conditioning mask contains vitamin E to hydrate each individual strand. A city living essential, this mask protects hair from further stress and frizz, ensuring that hair is revitalised and vibrant. Excellent. I need to put this shit in my hair right now because it is just really frizzy at the moment and it feels dead and damaged and I need it cut. Hopefully this is going to help my hair get brought back to life, essentially. Anyway, you get a 30 millilitre sample amount here, which is a pretty good amount. So yeah, really looking forward to using that. And I don't know, I want to smell it. Yeah, it smells like normal sort of hair products. There's yeah, I like that. I don't know quite how to explain it, but it's nice. Okay guys, so this is the last product inside this month's beauty box, and it's a rather exciting one. It comes in a box. It is from the brand Mellow. Now again, thanks to Look Fantastic, I have been able to try this brand out before. I've tried out their multi-purpose, I think it was like highlighter and also like works as an eyeshadow at the same time. Really good product, really pigmented, and I think there might have been something else that I had tried again from Mellow as well due to Look Fantastic. See, Look Fantastic is great because they've introduced me to so many new brands that I would have never tried before, so wouldn't even have heard about, so in the first place. So these subscription boxes are pretty good because not only do they like give you an amazing array of products, you get to try something new each time from a new brand, new product. Yeah, really good switch ups. So yeah, I'm totally a big fan of them. But anyway, back to this product. Now we've got a Mellow Gel Lip Pencil in Aria. Now this is worth £10.50. Excellent. I need a new lip pencil, and it's looking like quite a pretty nude to me. So I'm going to open this up and give it a little swatch on the back of my hand. So I don't know if you can see there. It's quite a nice sort of peachy nude, peachy pinky nude, if that's the way to describe it. Yeah, I think it's quite matte-y feeling as well. So anyway, in the magazine it says, define your lips with the soft and natural nude gel lip pencil. With a formula that glides effortlessly onto lips, this long-wearing lip liner delivers a rich matte finish. An on-the-go essential that provides a transfer-proof creamy base for your lipstick. How to use: trace your lips and then fill in for an overall finish. Editor's tip for a less defined finish: colour in lips and buff using a brush. Okay, very, very interesting. So guys, that brings us to the end of the unboxing for this month's beauty box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing what products were inside this month's beauty box. I'm excited to try out all of the products. The majority of the products, for once, was quite weird. I had actually heard of the brands before, or have tried out other products from the brands before. So like I mentioned earlier, Look Fantastic is great for introducing you into new brands, into new products, just getting you into trying new things that you might never have heard of or never even thought of trying. So yeah, just a quick reminder, you guys can use my code CynthiaBB and you'll get a free Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm. I think the full size product is worth something extortionate, like £50 or something. So getting a fairly decent size product for signing up to a free 6 or 12 month subscription box with Look Fantastic is great, considering you get one of my favourite products. So yeah, I'll leave the code up on screen, I'll leave it down below, I'll leave all the information linked down below as per usual. And anyway guys, I hope you have a lovely day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever time of the day it is that you're watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. So thanks again for watching, bye!